Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys iQOO mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys iQOO mobile guys sound and vibration setting, and today video title guys how to set iQOO mobile ringtone. Friends, you want to set ringtone and you want to change your phone device ringtone. So friends, now let's see how to set and change ringtone in iQOO mobile. One by one, step by step we will talk about. So friends, first of all open your phone setting. After turn on phone settings, you can see this type interface in your iQOO mobile. Friends, in your iQOO mobile, open your phone. Sound and vibration setting. First of all, friends, you can adjust your device volume. Vibrate for call setting you want to use. So friends, you can on vibrate for calls and you can use vibrate for call setting in your iQOO mobile. So friends, we will own phone ringtone setting, and friends, you want to set and you want to change any ringtone, so you can set and you can change ringtone. Example friends, I will use this resound ringtone setting. So friends, ringtone will set, and friends, we can increase, we can decrease ringtone volume from here. So like that friends, you can use ringtone setting, you can set ringtone. And friends, you want to set your notification ringtone sound you don't have. So friends, click here and unmute your notification ringtone sound. So friends, your notification ringtone sound is mute. So friends, select your notification ringtone sound and you can set and you can use it. So like that friends, we can set phone ringtone and we can set notification ringtone. And you don't want to use your notification ringtone sound, friends, you can mute your notification ringtone sound. Like that friends, you want to set your alarm ringtone, you want to change alarm ringtone, so you can set and you can change alarm ringtone. Tap here, the ringtone will change. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to set and change iQOO mobile ringtone. Bye.